Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding, and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. In this video you will learn about musculoskeletal systems removal procedure. So let's start. You need to know medical terminology. Arthro means joint, centesis means removal of synovial fluid. So combinedly, arthrocentesis means removal of synovial fluid from joints. As you can see in the picture, between the joint, fluid is filled with synovial. So for this particular condition, the physician will insert a hollow needle and remove the fluid out, or drains the fluid out. So he may use a steroid drug to treat that condition if the patient is feeling inflammation or pain between the joints. So coder need to follow some guidelines to code accurately. He need to identify whether the physician performed orthocentesis or aspiration or injection between the joints, and he also need to identify the physician has performed the procedure with or without imaging guidance, and we need to identify that whether the physician injected the needle between the small joint, intermediate joints or major joint. Let's see CPT book for codes 20600. Description of this code is arthrocentesis, aspiration and or injection, small joint or bursa, example fingers, toes, without ultrasound guidance. So, for example, the patient was diagnosed with synovial fluid between the joints at the anatomical sides, fingers or toes. Then the physician will inject a hollow needle and he withdraws the synovial fluid from the joints. If he is not using the ultrasound guidance, then assign the code 20600. If the physician is using ultrasound guidance, then assign the code 20604. Then we have some instructional notes here. Please go through this. If the physician is using other imaging guidance like fluoroscopic, CT or MRI, then you have to assign this code 77002, 77012, 77021 respectively. And if the physician is performing arthrocentesis procedure or injection procedure on intermediate joints like temporomandibular, acromioclavicular, wrist, elbow or ankle, olecranon, bursa. If the physician is not using ultrasound guidance, then assign the code 20605. If the physician is using ultrasound guidance for the aspiration procedure on intermediate joints, then assign the code 20606. If the physician is performing arthrocentesis and or injection procedure on major joints like shoulder, hip, knee, subacromial, bursa without ultrasound guidance, then assign the code 20610. If the physician is utilizing ultrasound guidance, then assign the code 20611 for major joints. For all the above procedure, the physician will send aspirated sample to the laboratory for further evaluation. And the next code is 20612. Description of this code is aspiration and or injection of ganglion cyst, any location. Now, what is ganglion cyst? This is a jelly-like fluid, occurs on or arises from tendon or joint of hands, wrist, ankle or foot. So for this condition, the physician will inject a sharp needle to the targeted site, and with the help of syringe he will withdraw the fluid. Then the physician will send the aspirated sample to the laboratory to evaluate disease condition. If the physician is performing this procedure on two ganglion cysts, then assign the code 20612 times 2 but 1 with modifier 59, and or he may inject anti-inflammatory drug to destroy the ganglion cyst. And the next code is 20615, aspiration and injection for treatment of bone cyst. Now what is bone cyst? This is a fluid usually occurs on metaphysis of long bones. So for this condition, the physician will inject sharp needle and with the help of syringe he will aspirate the fluid. and also he will inject the anti-inflammatory drug to destroy the bone cyst. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.